Every day you make choices, but did you know your choices can make you stronger inside? Let me show you how. Daniel loved exploring his backyard. One evening, he grabbed 2 flashlights from the drawer, one shiny and new, the other old with weak batteries. He stepped outside. The sky was getting dark. Daniel turned on the new flashlight. A strong, bright beam. Then he clicked the old one. Flicker, flicker, dim. He realized something. I can choose the light that helps me see, or the one that leaves me stumbling. Just like Daniel's flashlights, we all have choices. God gives us the light of His truth, or we can follow our own dim ideas. Every choice shines a light on the path we walk. Let's try something simple. Imagine 2 cups. One is crystal clear, full of clean water. The other looks cloudy, dirty water inside. Both cups look similar on the outside, but only one is safe to drink. In life, 2 choices can look almost the same. A joke that hurts someone, or words that lift them up. Listening to good advice, or ignoring it. Telling the truth, or twisting it. God doesn't force us. He lets us choose the clean cup. The choice that keeps our heart strong and bright. The Bible says, "Choose today whom you will serve." Joshua 24 verse 15. Every choice is a step toward God or away from Him. But when we ask, He'll guide us every single time. You always have a choice. And when you choose God's way, your path gets brighter and your heart grows stronger. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos that help you grow strong in Jesus, tap like, subscribe, and watch the next episode in the I Have series. See you there.